friends, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shantipriya Grammar Classes. So in this video, let us discuss what is precise writing and how to write precise writing. It is a very important topic, so please watch this video till end, then only you will be able to understand the concept clearly. Those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the like button, whatever suggestions you have you can put it in the comment box and share this video. You can also follow me in Instagram and Twitter also. I'll put the link of Instagram and Twitter in the description box so that you can follow me in that also. So now let us discuss what is a precise writing. Precise writing is an art since you need to extract the maximum information and convey the information in the minimum of words. The goal is to preserve the core essence of the original report in a manner which is both clear and concise. So we have to gather more information and we have to convey the information in minimum number of words. So now process in writing precis. So identify the reader and purpose of the precis. Read the original documents. Underline the key ideas and concepts. Write a note form summary of each paragraph. Write a precis, review and edit. So these all we have to do while writing a precise writing. Okay. Now what all we have to do and what all we should not do while writing precise writing. See here. Write original content including all the essential details. Brief the same information. Follow the same order as used in the article. Use simple vocabulary. Don't copy sentences from the original. Don't mention any additional information. Don't address to wrong facts and figures. Don't write in the first person. Okay. So these all we have to follow while writing the precise writing. So now let us see sample precise writing. So they have given first a main passage and based on that maximum information they have gathered and they have made a precise writing here. See now, trees give shade for the benefit of others and while they themselves stand in the sun and endure the scorching heat, they produce the fruit of which others profit. The character of good man is like that of trees. What is the use of this perishable body if no use is made of it for the benefit of mankind? Sandalwood, the more it is rubbed, the more scent does it yield. Sugarcane, the more it is peeled and cut up into pieces, the more juice does it produce. The men who are noble at heart do not lose their qualities even in losing their lives. What matters whether men praise them or not? What difference does it make whether they die at this moment or whether lives are prolonged? Happen what may, those who tread in the right path will not set foot in any other. Life itself is unprofitable to a man who does not live for others. To live for the mere sake of living one's life is to live the life of a dog and crows. Those who lay down their lives for the sake of others will assuredly dwell forever in a world of bliss. So what is this paragraph about? So by giving the example of trees, how they are useful even after their death, the writer here, he is saying us to live the life which will be useful for others. We have to utilize our life for others' sake. Okay. So now what title did they give here? See, good men live for others. That is the title given. Now see how to write the precis. The character of good men is like that of trees. They live for others and do not lose their qualities even in losing their lives. They always follow the right path. Praise is immaterial to them. To live for one's own sake is to lead the life of beasts. Only those who lay down their lives for others will live forever in a world of bliss. So this is a precise writing. Okay. So precise writing. Okay. So now one more precise writings here they have given here. Humans are the only animals on earth that use symbols to communicate. Language is a system of symbols with rules that allow us to communicate our thoughts and ideas. Without language, we would not be able to think or understand concepts. So what title did they give here? Language is key to thinking. See now how to write the precis. Humans are the only animals that use symbols to communicate, which allows us to think and understand concepts. Language is a system of symbols with rules that allow us to communicate our thoughts. In this way, we have to write the precise writing. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video, and those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the like button, whatever suggestions you have you can put it in the comment box and share this video. You can also follow me in Instagram and Twitter also.